السلام علیکم.
ٹرانسلیشن ہو بھی رہی ہے یہاں آفیشیلی؟ جی No, what I was given to understand that perhaps Hamid, what's your name? Naveed Hamid. I understood from this that you are going to translate the question answer session, but you are sitting here without doing anything.
Actually, I was going to translate the Urdu translation of Quran and not the session.
No, but it is written here, Sawalo Jawab Urdu Tajma Naveed Hamid. Acha, this was related to the Quran, and he did both these things.
So he did only the German translation, and the Urdu translation didn't.
Aha, I understand. Nobody reminded me, that's why it happened. But I was under the impression that you are going to translate the question answer session into German language.
He is responsible for this.
Nobody did it, huh? There is no need. No, there is only Amir Sahib here who can't understand Urdu. So for you, he is doing the good job, I hope. Huh? Okay. हाँ बताओ. You know, this translation is good for future usage. Although there are no Germans here, but they could, if you could supply them with the videos of this session, the students themselves participate in it, they could invite their German friends and tell them to participate in this. So that is why the idea of translation is useful, even if there is no one present, because in video this can be utilized later on. But later on you can dub it. You can dub this video recording with German. While on the screen I may be shown as speaking, but after one or two sentences somebody can dub it, and it will make the impression as if I am addressing in German. But people will know, of course, that it is just a dubbing. Huh? Please.
السلام علیکم.